Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Audi's latest release in the luxury sedan category, the brand new 2025 Audi A5 Sedan. This model not only replaces the outgoing A4 but also redefines what we can expect from Audi's mid-size sedans. From a refined design to impressive tech, this A5 is set to turn heads. Let's explore everything you need to know about this stunning new ride. First up, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Audi A5 Sedan is slightly larger than its predecessor. It's now 67 mm longer, 13 mm wider, and 11 mm taller than the A4. But the real game changer is the 80 mm stretch in the wheelbase, adding to that spacious feel. Audi's signature design elements come to life with a broader, flatter single-frame grille and a sleek light bar that extends across the rear, emphasizing the car's width and giving it a strong, sporty stance on the road. Lighting is another area where the new A5 shines, quite literally. Audi has integrated optional matrix LED headlights and OLED tail lights, which offer up to 8 digital light signatures for a truly customizable look. These OLED lights are cutting edge, with 6 panels and 60 individually controlled segments per panel. This allows the lights to display dynamic patterns, adding a modern touch to every turn and stop. Now let's pop the hood and talk performance. The 2025 A5 Sedan comes with a revised 2.0-liter TFSI 4-cylinder petrol engine. The major update here is a new variable turbine geometry turbocharger, which helps increase torque at lower revs. For those curious about the numbers, the base front-wheel drive A5 packs 110 kilowatts of power, peaking between 3,900 and 6,000 RPM, with a torque output of 280 Nm/meter. Audi claims this setup gets the A5 from 0 to 100 km/h in 9.8 seconds, and onto a top speed of 216 km/h. Inside, the 2025 Audi A5 aims to compete head-to-head with luxury rivals like the Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Audi has really focused on making this cabin a luxurious space. The highlight? A stunning panoramic curved display that spans 2/3 of the dashboard. This setup includes an 1.9-inch configurable digital instrument cluster and a 4.5-inch MMI touchscreen display, giving the driver control at their fingertips. The seats are another standout. The A5 features a unique grey-on-grey cloth that's as comfortable as it is stylish. And the material choice doesn't stop at the seats, it extends to the door trims and even beneath the dash screens, adding a textured, high-quality feel throughout the cabin. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Audi has priced the new A5 only slightly higher than the outgoing A4. The current lineup starts around $47,421 for the 35 TFSI S-Line sedan and $55,510 for the 45 TFSI Quattro S-Line Avant. Expect similar pricing for the A5 series, making it a competitive option in the luxury sedan market. So, there you have it, the 2025 Audi A5 Sedan. With its bold new design, innovative lighting, improved performance, and luxurious interior, this car is set to make a splash in the luxury sedan category. Are you excited to see this one on the road? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.